Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a slime video. I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy slime. So it's kind of going to be loud in here because we're doing it in the laundry room. And so today you're going to be needing some Tide, any kind of Tide, shaving foam. It has to be shaving foam, but any kind of shaving foam. And you're going to be needing glue, any kind of Elmer's glue. It does work with you can have any kind of glue, but not like purple Elmer's glue. I never tried clear Elmer's glue, so I do not know. But, so, you need something to stir with, and you're going to need a bucket to do this on with. So, first things first, we need to fill the bucket up with some glue. This glue I have, school glue, Elmer's school glue, and then we're gonna need to put in some Tide next. So first, we're going to put in some Elmer's glue into this nice little bucket we have here. So what we are going to do, first we're going to fill it up. All our glue. I got a little too big of a bucket, but that's okay. I got all that there. So yeah, okay. So first things first, some Elmer's glue. For my birthday, if I get enough money to buy a tablet, I'm going to buy a tablet, which I already have an iPad, but my iPad kind of stinks because it's old, really old. I got it when I was 4, and now I'm turning 9, so yummy! So we are still making this. I could have made it with some water, but I chose not to. I want to see how it turns out without some water. Probably it's going to turn out good, probably. So there we go, all the glue's out. Now it's time for some Tide in there, some Tide. So our Tide is in here. So we need to put some in there. Okay, good. So I just put it in here instead of just pouring it because my dad does not have a lot anymore. So now what you need to do is stir it. So I am stirring it, making it into some slime, and that does sound bad, doesn't it? So what we are gonna do after stirring it is we're gonna touch it with our hand, which that's what we're gonna do. So let's get to it. So it's gonna have to go like this. This is going to be a small batch because I put it in a wrong bowl, but that is okay. See, it's already appearing to be slime, but not so much yet. I think I'm going to put in more some Tide, but first I'm going to get all this stuff off my hands. Putting in more some Tide because this did not turn out. Okay, so let's go and wash off my hands. I'm going to wash off my hands, but you guys will be just sitting here. Sorry guys, that took a long time. I just added more of this because, you know, my slime is just just a little funky today, but you know, dab on my haters. Sorry, I turned my machine off. I'm still making this. Come on, people. It better work. Now I'm gonna start with my hands. Try to get it off there. Okay, so this is working now, but it's a little batch of slime, but that's okay. So, you know. Very, very, very. Sorry guys, I just tipped upside down for a little bit. But that's okay. It's okay. Really okay. So right now we just need to stir this up with my hand. And if there's a mess, I'm trying to get like all this slime here. So we just need a first, so we're gonna have to do it with our hands because I forgot to tell you that. We're gonna add in the shaving cream in just a minute. First we're gonna get this on here. Okay, this is better. It's getting better. Time to add some shaving cream. So it already kind of appeared. So sorry about that. Sorry for such a wait. I'm always making you guys wait for some reason. I'm still okay. That's still good. So like I'm so happy that I'm making a YouTube video about slime because I've never done this before because I never got the chance to. I need to open this up. Oh, there we go. So we got some shaving cream. Sorry. Okay. So if you want a lot of shaving cream, you don't have to shake it a lot. Work, you stupid stuff. My shaving cream's not working. I feel like it's taking off the time. No? I don't even know if there's any more in here because kind of using I just need to work on my shaving cream skills. Oh, work, you stupid stuff. Yeah, there we go, boys. We'll be back after we're done adding so much shaving cream here to this lovely piece of work I have here. See how fluffy my slime? Well, it's not fluffy, but like, see how fluffy my hands are? So fluffy. I made slime a couple days ago. Like, I'm making so much slime, but so all of my slimes are at my mom's except this one that I'm making here. It's a little messy today. And last time when I made my slime, ooh, was it messy? Person. Whoever's out there, please like and subscribe to the video. And I'm sorry that I've been going out of the video for a while because I've been washing my hands so much. And this is how I wanted to turn on my slime, and it's turning out today. people. At the beginning, I know it didn't look like it's turning out, but now, what does this look like? It's turning out. So as you know, I made this slime with no water. Usually I make it with water, but then it's really liquidy when I make it with water. Now it's like more fluffier when I make it without water. But like, you know, I am gonna try to find out how you make dough slime. Well, I do know how, but I never succeed when I make dough slime. But I'm gonna make some new slimes, find out some new recipes, and I'm gonna use them in my videos. So the next time I make some slime, I'm gonna do water slime videos, and I'm gonna make some edible slime. It's mostly I like making slime, so mostly I'm gonna make slime in my channel. And you know how I have two channels, one with my friends and one without my friends? They're both gonna be called Slime Box because, you know, sometimes we film on my phone. I think I'm gonna add a little more shaving cream because, you know, I want it fluffy. But not too much, but I want some shaving cream on there. Get out there, bruh. Okay, so got that. Frick, it keeps on turning on. I don't know why. Sorry, I just said that. But you know. So yeah, I'm making some slime. Slime's awesome, bro. Yeah, I just said bro. So we're still making it. I added a little more foam, which you can do. You can choose to put more shaving cream on if you didn't put enough. If you feel that you didn't put enough, shaving cream just makes it bigger and fluffier. That's why I put it in there, because it makes it bigger and fluffier, and kind of stretchier. That's why I put more in there, because I felt that I didn't have enough in there last time. So now it's all getting stuck to my skin. Getting stuck to my arm. I am happy. Before I wasn't happy because I had to leave when I was playing with my friend, my dad. But I'm not happy. I'm getting my Halloween costume today, maybe, but maybe not. But that's okay if I don't. But this year at school we have a haunted house at Halloween. And it's It version, like the Killer Clown movie, It. It's gonna be that. So I'm kind of excited because I'm going with my friends and I hopefully grade 4 is allowed in it. Last year we were all excited for the haunted house, but they didn't have one because too many kids cried the year before that for the haunted house. But now they're making a new one, so yeah. And I was just talking to you while I was playing with my slime. So I think this is the end of the video, but I'm going to be making more videos soon. Let's do this. So we are done here. And yeah. So bye guys. Have a good day. And see you in the next video. Bye. And peace out.